Hi, today we will see what is COVAR function in Tableau and how to use this function. So COVAR stands for covariance. So this is the number function. COVAR is a number function and it helps us to find out the covariance of two different expressions. So in order to use this function, we have to create one calculation field and after that type your function here. Is COVAR. We can see here this function takes two input as an expression. So here is expression 1 and expression 2. So in this case, we are using sample superstore dataset, and uh, here should be only numeric expressions. It does not contain any dimensions which are category, city, country. So in this case, in this dataset, we have expressions like discount, profit, quantity, sales. And also on the right side we can see about the about the function which says covar function returns the sample covariance of two expression. So for example, if I set the input as a profit, expression 1 as a profit and expression 2 as a sales. So after taking the input, as we can see here, this is saying now calculation is valid. So then click on apply and okay. So as you can see, our field is ready, and take this field and drop it onto the text. And so we can see here the covariance. I'll make it, I'll increase the font. So we can see here it is about 70,000. So this is how we can see the total covariance between sales and profit. But if you want to know the covariance according to the subcategory, so just simply drag the subcategory and drop it onto the row. So we can see here now the covariance of each of the subcategory. Here is accessories, appliance, art, binders, and so on. So here we can see supply is having the least covariance, which is in negative 21, and tables as well, and machines. So this is how we can use the covariance, which is covar function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.